Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Exit and restart system. Third method is open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options. Select this PC, uncheck Show recently used files in Quick Access, uncheck Show frequently used folders in Quick Access, click Clear, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.